been in a place like that, guys, but I am so scared to get lost. But we're not gonna get lost. Okay, so we're gonna be on the other side. I'm still lost. But yeah, baby, I've never been lost like this. Never, ever. I've missed it. I'm fucking not giving up. Not giving up. So we are on this place right here where they got the canal and the Aldi. And the Aldi I was looking for, guys, it's just right there, over the road. Oh my god, over the road. Aldi. So I don't know, how do you go around here? Oh my god. Hold on a minute.